You charged Russian origin.
I looked it up. Look at that.
This big scared face.
Herman, roll over. Herman, stop being a dog.
Give me food first.
Jake,
What?
give him a hot dog. Rub Herman's belly. Rub Herman's belly. Come on, Jake. Oh my God, Herman!
Die, Herman, die.
He's gonna bite
That's what you
you.
get for
When he
flicking
comes
this
out of
ball
that, he's
through
gonna
the
kick
evil.
your ass.
Hey, camera, watch this.
Oh yeah! Drink that. Yeah. This is why we don't give dogs beer. Herman, I think you've had a little too much to drink tonight.
No, I haven't.
I'll tell you when to stop. I'll tell you when I had enough.
Take.
I'm not drunk, I just have a stomach virus. Blah. And a speech impediment.
Neither you.